Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In this lesson, we are going to learn about enough, how to use enough correctly. The word enough indicates adequate, and the word enough gives more information about adjective or adverb. Do you know how to use the word enough? Look at these examples and see how enough is used. Number 1. She is good enough to speak English. She is good enough to speak English. I haven't got enough time. I haven't got enough time. The baby is not old enough to walk yet. The baby is not old enough to walk yet. The government is acting fast enough to stop climate change. The government is acting fast enough to stop climate change. Is there enough tea for everyone? Here, enough means the amount that we need or want. The necessary amount we want, or the right amount. A sufficient number, quantity or amount. These are the meaning for enough. Look at this example. I haven't got enough time. This really means not enough. Not enough means less than the amount that you want or need. I haven't got enough time. It is really a negative thing, a negative statement. Look at this example. She is good enough to speak English. She is good enough to speak English. This is a positive statement, and she has what she needed. She has the needed ability to speak in English. This is what it means. Let's look at the structure. How to use enough with adjective, noun, and verb. First, enough with adjective. Enough comes after the adjective or adverb. You have to use enough after the adjective or adverb. Look at the example. Shri Priya is tall enough to reach the top shelf. Shri Priya is tall enough to reach the shelf. Here, tall is an adjective. We have used enough after adjective tall, that is tall plus enough. Next, your marks are good enough to study medicine. Here, good is an adjective. Enough comes after adjective good. Next example, I am strong enough to lift the bag. I have enough strength to lift the bag. Here, strong is an adjective and we have used enough after the adjective strong. And the last sentence, it's warm enough to go for swimming. It's warm enough to go for swimming. Here, warm is an adjective and we have used enough after the adjective warm. The negative form of this sentence, that is, I am strong enough to lift the bag, is I am not strong enough to lift the bag. Here we have added not. This means I am too weak. You are not strong enough means you are too weak. You are too weak to lift the bag. That is what this sentence means. Next, it is not warm enough to go for swimming. Here, not warm enough means it is too cold outside. You cannot go for swimming. Next, the structure with noun. That is enough with noun. Enough comes before the noun. Always enough comes before the noun. Look at the example. Enough with noun. I've got enough time. I have got enough time. There are enough seats in the bus. You should come. We have enough money. Let's buy the house. Here, Time is a noun and we have used enough before the noun time. In the second sentence, seats are the nouns and we have used enough before the noun seats. Here in the last sentence, money is a noun and we have used enough before the noun money. And to make these sentences negative, add not before enough. If you want to make these sentences into negative, you have to add not before enough. Here are some examples for you. I have not got enough time. We have added not before enough. My mother did not earn enough money. We have not made enough food. These are the negative statements with nouns. Here, enough with verbs. Enough comes after verbs. That is verb plus enough. Look at the examples. I make sure I drink enough water during the day. Here, drink is a verb and you have used enough after the verb drink. I did not read enough books. Read is a verb and enough comes after the verb read. So, enough means the necessary amount, the amount you wanted. And not enough means less than the necessary amount, less than the amount you wanted or less than the amount needed. So far we have discussed about the usage of enough in positive sentence and in negative sentence. Enough with adjectives, enough with the nouns and enough with verbs. A small test for you. Frame two sentences using the structure enough with adjective and enough with noun. Hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video interesting and informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.